Okay, hi. Our next stage of fractions, decimals and percentages is percentages to fractions and decimals. I think this is the most straightforward of all of the conversions. All you've got to remember is percent means out of 100. Okay, so 45% simply means 45 over 100. There's your fraction already. Okay, now remember you should always put fractions in lowest terms, so 45 over 100, divide top and bottom by 5, 9/20. Whoops. Okay, that's your fraction. Your decimal, well, we did that previously, a fraction to a decimal, 45 over 100, 45 hundredths, 0.45, and there is your answer. What about if we have more than 100%? Well, remember 100% is equal to 1. So let's say 124%. Again, very simply, percent means out of 100. So that's 124 over 100, okay, which would equal 1/24. Okay, in lowest terms, 1/1250 dividing by 2, divide by 2 again, 1 and 6/25. That is our fraction. It is a mixed number. Our decimal, very simple, 24 hundredths, so it's 1.24. There we have our percentage into a fraction and into a decimal. We can go the other way. Start with a decimal and go into a percentage. Let's have a quick look at that. So we're going to start with a decimal and we're going to convert into a fraction and a percentage. So if, let's say, we start with a decimal, 0.3, okay, very simple for the fraction, it's in the tenths column. There you go, that's our fraction. And if we want to make that into a percentage, well, remember, percent means out of 100, so if we can make an equivalent fraction out of 100, multiply both top and bottom by 10, 30 out of 100 is 30%. Simple as that. Another one, 0.62. Okay, 62 hundredths. Well, there's a fraction straight away. We should put that into lowest terms. Okay, divide top and bottom by 2, 31 over 50. And for our percentage, 62 hundredths means out of 100, so it's simply 62%. Okay, again, what happens if we have over 1? Let's do an example. 1.48, okay, which is 1/48 hundredths. Okay, so lowest terms, divide by 2, 1/24 over 50, divide by 2 again, 1/12/25. There's our fraction, there's a mixed number. Our percentage, well, remember 1 is 100%, and we've got 48 out of 100, so that's another 48%, so it's just 148%. Okay, pretty straightforward. From that, you should be able to crack on with exercise 11.3 in the textbook.